Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Porsche Macan windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel or cardboard to protect your windshield. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Now, let's move on to removing the old blade. With the wiper arm in the service position, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade downwards or outwards, depending on your specific model, to detach it from the hook. Be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back onto the windshield. Once the old blade is removed, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the protective towel or cardboard. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade, ensuring both are correctly installed before proceeding. Once both new wiper blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Do this gently to avoid any impact damage. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Regular maintenance ensures clear visibility and safer driving. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.